Well, it's All Hallows Eve, ladies and gentlemen. Never know what's going to happen tonight. All kinds of crazy stuff could go down. I just wanted to make a quick video here about some things I've been reading and hearing a lot about, and I've wondered about. Cern, you know, the Large Hadron Collider, or whatever they call it, where they make particles, certain particles spin around in a circle at super high speeds and do different experiments with it to try to make new molecules or whatever they're trying to do there. Make a black hole and suck the Earth into their machine. I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, I saw Scott from Believers Underground tonight talking about CERN, and these people were concerned about they're gonna hide from something in CERN because they got their own gravity or something. I don't know. Anyways, it just reminded me of something I've been wanting to kind of make a video on for a long time. Never got around to it. So I popped up my Google Earth here, a little map of the old U.S., and I'm going to zoom into Illinois. I live in Illinois, so I know about this. Fermi Lab, Fermi National Laboratory in the Chicago, Batavia area. Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory. Okay, this is right here in northern Illinois. As far as I can tell, this is probably about the same thing they got going on at CERN. Is this on a smaller scale? I don't know, but it's obviously a particle accelerator because it says it when I back out National Accelerator Lab. You know, there's the big bold print, National Accelerator Lab. So, here we are, Fermi National Lab. I can't get in close enough to see it on any of these roads. They got the roads blocked out on Google. Well, it's, surprise, surprise, all the way around this thing, so you can only go in a big square around it. You can't see what's going on inside. But anyway, I can get in close enough to give you an idea. See, this is a big circle, obviously. They call it outer ring road. So this is an outer ring to this particle accelerator. You can, come in here to the middle, and you can zoom in and check out whatever this big pole piece is they have in the center. I don't know what that is, but I'm assuming there's either a great deal of power that comes into or goes out of that. The thing that concerns me about this is this has been here a long time. Fermilab, I can remember hearing about Fermilab back in, in the early 90s when I was in tech school in Glendale Heights, which is, not too far from Fermilab, in this region here somewhere. Anyways, yeah, I just kind of wanted to put this on there. Look at how close the houses are. Right here. Bam. You got a neighborhood. Neighborhood of people just happily living their life, and right across the friggin' street is Fermilab with this accelerator. I want to know, what does that thing do? Does anyone that watches my videos know, or can they forward this video to someone else and tell me what in the world is this accelerator? What is a Fermi accelerator? What does it do? I mean, they spin some kind of particle to make something, but why don't we ever hear about Fermilab? Why do we only hear about CERN? And that's something that concerns me, that this thing is right here, and I live, let's back this out a little till my house comes into view. Oh, home. Yeah, that's not very far. What, 1, 2 counties? There's 2 counties between me and Fermilab. So, it's right actually on the county line of the next county. So, anyways, there's my piece. What is it? What does it do? It's pretty easy if you guys want to see it on the Google Earth. You just get in here to the Chicago suburban area and get down. The way that I found is just get down close like this and cruise around until you find a big round thing that looks way out of place. That's pretty much what I did. There's another Acme Lab. I don't know what, or Argonne National Lab. I don't know what that is. But the Fermi Lab, it's right here. Okay, see that circle? That's pretty big. I don't know how many miles across that is or whatever, but as you can see if you zoom in here, I mean, this is not a small structure. This is a 2-track road here, obviously. Zoom out and you can see the size of this, scale of this thing. Well, I mean, here's neighborhoods, right? There's 1 neighborhood, 2 neighborhoods, 3 neighborhoods, cul-de-sacs. Look at that. And then here's this big, huge ring. You could put how many of those? You could put this whole thing right here. You could put another one right next to it, and another one next to that, another one next to that, and a couple more inside. So it's like 6 times the size of this subdivision. So that's pretty large, you know. What does it do? Anyways, that's all I got for tonight. You know, Scott was talking about Cern and them people thinking they could stay there. Well, if something goes down and things go crazy, does that mean I can jump in my car and drive over here on this piece of dirt and I'm going to be cool? I don't know. That sounds pretty silly. So, anyways, good night, people. God bless.